This video is covering the vocabulary for the Judicial Branch Hyperdoc. First word is appeal. Definition is asking a higher court to review the decision of a lower court. Two things to understand here are that one, an appeal is always made to a higher court, never from a higher court to a lower court. It always goes up. Second, an appeal in a case can be made only when there's a question of whether somebody received a fair trial the first time the case was heard. So if a defendant is found guilty of a crime, they can't simply say, well, I'm appealing the decision. Something had to have happened during that trial that was not fair. Their rights were not given to them, for instance. They didn't have an attorney that represented them fairly. The word is appeal. An example in your life might be if one of your parents says no to you for something. You might appeal their decision to another parent. Or an older sibling says no, you cannot use something of theirs. You may appeal their decision to someone higher, like a parent. At Poe Middle School, if Mr. Kelly does something you don't like, he tells you to do something that you feel is not fair, you might appeal my decision to Ms. Bridgman or even Mr. Panuti, the principal. Appeal. Second word is interpret. Now, this is a main job of the judicial branch. Interpret means to decide the meaning of. In the case of the judicial branch is determining the meaning of laws. So when Congress makes a law, it's up to the courts to decide exactly what that law means in everyday life. For instance, we have something called freedom of religion that we know we have in the First Amendment. Well, the courts have had to determine through the years, does that cover every religion? What if you have a religion that says we don't want to pay taxes? Is that fair? We learned about the group of students who wore black armbands to school in protest of the Vietnam War. They said it was freedom of speech. However, they were suspended from school. It was up to the courts to determine whether or not free speech is covered, or rather, whether black armbands are covered under free speech. They had to interpret the Constitution. Interpret. All right, next word is jurisdiction. Very much a legal term. And it means the authority to hear a case. So some cases have jurisdiction over criminal cases. Certain courts have jurisdiction over civil cases where somebody is suing somebody. In everyday life, think about, again, my classroom. Mr. Kelly has jurisdiction over any issues in my classroom. But I don't really have jurisdiction over something that would happen in the gym or the library or the cafeteria. Your parents have jurisdiction over any disagreements that arise in your house. The word is jurisdiction. Our last word is unconstitutional. The prefix un tells us that means it's against the Constitution. To go against the Constitution is the definition. If a legislator were to make a law that banned people from going to church, the courts might hear this case and say that law is unconstitutional. If a legislator were to make a law that said driving is now a privilege only for people that have a paying job and they make a certain amount of money, the court might find this unconstitutional. It goes against people's rights and the Constitution. That's all for this time.